APLM Stock Analysis Tuesday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. APLMX, whatever the pronunciation is there. We've seen it's just shy of 19 cents on the post market, but it's closed at 19 cents before it was went post. But yeah, like looking at APLM, like I'll just say one thing. Before my biases on these, like we've been bearish, and APLMX manages. It's not like, yeah, it's going up, like it's gone up tremendously. Like it's at some point of the day it was as high as 277%. That's crazy. But now all I'm gonna do is just do this. With the wick, I don't really count wicks, so this was just like a big fake out there. Doesn't really matter, but I'm still really even going to entertain the idea that if there is a 5-minute double break, I'm not holding myself off not buying. So I'm just going to do this, click a little confirmation here, and all I'm doing in the meantime is I'm just waiting. And there you go. So if you want to learn the strategy for free, click the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars.